Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing a Coleman Camping Oven. Now usually when I make product reviews, in most cases an Amazon retailer reaches out to me and I decide if I want to do it or not. This is not one of those. I bought this myself because I've been thinking about bringing already pre-made food from home like pizza and wings when I go camping and heat it up when I'm over there. I mean, I could probably put it on bags of foil and put it near a fire, but the chances of getting that burned are high, so I decided to go with this route. So in order to make this work, you can either get a grill and put it on top of a bonfire and then put it near so it'll heat up, but preferably, or the way it is designed to be used on one of these gas stoves. They're very inexpensive, so it's not like a big deal with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get you guys in a little closer. You can just see, you know, how it all looks. You put it together. All right, so let me go ahead and get it out of the box. I've already opened it up before to see what it's all about. So here's the grill itself. It comes in a little bag. I'm gonna take it out, of course. The little instruction manual. Again, not very complicated. And here is the oven itself. Get it out. There we go. It's a little heavy. It's about 4 or 5 pounds, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Thankfully, it's very simple. You are to stretch it out. I believe I gotta unlock it. Yes, it's got these little notches right here. Gotta unlock it, and then it begins to spread out. Now, inside, you got the roof. You have to raise it up. Once you raise up the roof, make sure you can close it with a notch. Now, right now, it's not fully aligned, so I'm gonna have to align it properly. There we go. There we go. It is aligned. Now it doesn't want to close. There you go. I think I got it now. There you go. It came apart again. Heavens above. See, this is one of the reasons I make these reviews, because I want people to see how it all works. Okay, I went ahead and placed the oven on top of the stove itself. Preferably you want to get a stove that is squared. I have a portable one that is smaller. All it did is stumble and fall. So you want to make sure, if you want to use this on a gas stove, make sure it's squared enough that'll actually contain the oven itself. Anyway, back into the inside, I placed the grill. It's got little notches on the sides. You can either put it higher or lower. I'm gonna put it on the lowest setting. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Start the gas. There we go. I'm gonna leave it at high at the moment. Right now it's way below 100 degrees, so I'm gonna give it about maybe 5 minutes, see how hot it gets. I'm gonna go inside and grab some cold foods. I got some pizza and wings leftovers from yesterday. I'm gonna grab them, put them on foil so I can place them, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and check this out. It's been maybe 5 minutes and it's already near 300 degrees. That is insane. This thing actually works. So I'm gonna place you guys right here. And I got some wings and pizza from the fridge at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and place them inside. Whew, that is hot. Wow, okay. Yikes. Okay, I get it. All right, so this is no joke. This actually, wow, that's hot. Okay, got it. Let me place the pizza somewhere in here. Whew, yikes. Okay, you're hot. Okay, I get it. All right, so I'm thinking, I'm gonna leave it maybe 10 minutes for things to heat up, maybe less, probably. This thing is like quite hot. I was not expecting that. I'll be right back. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes or so. It's actually over 400 degrees at the bottom. Let me turn this off. Oof. Wow, that's hot. Ooh, holy cow. Yeesh. Okay, here we go. I've been wanting to do this for years, man. To heat up food on an oven while camping. Okay, so that's warm enough. I mean, I gotta say, let me just change camera views, angles. 1 second. Okay. This is a better camera angle. Let's do a little test. Okay. All right. So first, the pizza. Let's see if it's okay. Wow. Okay. Yes, it's warm. Very warm. Yep. works. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. Okay, the meat is hot, but not scalding hot, just hot enough you can enjoy it. So it looks like for carbohydrates, you know, like breads and pizza and whatever, it heats up very quickly. For meats, look, I might need a little bit more, like maybe 15 minutes perhaps, if you like it really, really hot. However, just good enough for me. It works. It works. Well, guys, sorry because I'm talking with my mouth full. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. It works.